Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday virtually launched the 10-bed ICU project in 12 district hospitals and 2 Tele ICU hubs during a function held at the State Convention Centre. The 10-bed ICU project is an innovative public-private partnership project between the Health and Family Welfare Department and 10-bed ICU partner NGOs, eGov Foundation and Karuna Trust, led by eGov Foundation. Speaking on the occasion, he said that considering the state's challenging terrain, the provision of critical care has been a major challenge, especially in rural areas, causing great difficulty for the people. He also appreciated the eGov Foundation and Karuna Trust for this wonderful initiative and the donors for making a big difference in the lives of the people of our state.
Today takes us to another level. And that is what excites me.
Making this 10-bed ICU project a success, and we have started and we have launched with some of the locations today, and I'm sure that we will be able to complete the other locations very soon. And more importantly, we look forward to ensuring that they are run with optimal utility, and also aspire to ensure that we are able to expand this even further so that we can reach the other nooks and corners.
The Meghalaya Cabinet on Tuesday passes